सगळ्यां लोकांक बरी सांज जावं येता. ओके. फ्यू क्वेश्चन्स म्हाका सीएमाक मातशें विचारपा जाय आसलें सिन्स तेणें आज ब्रिफींग दिलो आहा आनी प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेयलो आहा कोविड-19 लागून. सो कमींग टू द पॉयंट, ऑक्सिजन आमी केरला सोन केरला इज गिवींग अस द ऑक्सिजन. आय मीन एक्सपोर्टींग द ऑक्सिजन टू अस. आमगे नॅचरल ऑक्सिजन आहाय, the natural oxygen that we are getting, the government is ready to destroy that. Mole is known as lungs of Goa. You are destroying the natural oxygen, but we are taking oxygen from our neighboring states. I mean, I don't understand. Coming to the point, पहिले स्वातेर CM सर तुवें सांगिलां की casinos, pubs, bars and all 50% capacity, whereas tournaments of the children should be shut because in the tournament you all have seen that the youth तुवें चोयलो आहा हुई the youth from 30 to 40 cases arises in them, the youth. जाल्यार म्हाका एक क्वेश्चन विचारपा जाय. हांव हेजेर राजकारण या टिका कोनया. जस्ट आय एम आस्किंग यू वॉट यू हॅव सेड, वी नीड टू नो दॅट बीट क्लियर. तूं म्हाका सांग, कसिनो 21+ हाटल्यान भुरगे वचपा नाय, ते यूथ ते कसिनो वचपा नाय. Those youths won't go for the rave parties. Those youths won't go for any of the entertainment that you have said. Just asking. Because according to you, COVID roams in the tournaments but does not roam in the casinos, bars, yeah, pubs and all. Coming to the second point, to Sangila, ki 144 section is applicable for those people gathering in mass on the road. Okay, you have kept a night curfew from 10 to morning 8. We don't understand the logic 10 to 8. For what curfew? Because before 10 you are stuffing people inside. Casinos packing them before 10. Go, all of you all go. 10 to 8 whole night all can enjoy in that casino inside. Rave parties also before 10, just push yourself inside. Pubs, push yourself inside till morning, you can enjoy in it. Okay, so I mean, logic is that ki covid rostyache bounta ye jagyanche bompa na. I mean, do you even understand that such places, if one also is positive, everyone is going to be positive. So could you just forgot a basic logic, like basic whatever you spoke, we are asking that only, not out of the box. I'm just asking you a basic logic. Like even if you come to a kids tournament also, the tournament is in open air, okay, whereas this casino, pubs and all are packed areas. So is it logically what you said? I means I'm kona. तू कित सांगिल ते it's way above. You are not managing the COVID-19. आम एक औरस देखून कित कोताले. You are telling specialty hospital will be ready by 10th May. आम एक औरस देखून कित कोताले. 300 crores that had come to the state. People's life mattered to you, or your Goa liberation celebration mattered to you. What did you do? You didn't give तुवें electricity relief dilna, petrolache relief dilna, cylinderache relief dilna. You have not given a common man any relief on it. Nothing. Okay, जाल्यार तूं म्हाका सांग, what were we doing past 1 year? End moment देखून तुम सांगताय we will be telling the beds private increase करपा, ते दुसरे हॉस्पिटला बेड increase करपा. जाल्यार मे कोरोस देखून कित कोताले. Why did we wait for the last moment? You are saying we are going to take people into consideration. Where have you taken people into consideration? Border seal kor mutale log. Log border seal kor mutale. That time you didn't listen. We said start testing at the border. You didn't listen. So how are you taking people's concern? You are saying ek muklian help korun sai. We are ready to help, but are you ready to listen? This were the few logic questions that we wanted to ask and know from you. So I hope you could answer us this basic thing. I mean, the people who we pay manage our health crisis are blandly causing one. Sad to know that. I hope the CM at least answers on this, because this is not the way the COVID management, what they are telling. I don't think they should take people into consideration. People will give them good opinion. Past 1 year, they should have kept a forum for people to give their opinions. Today, the health workers' life matters. They are struggling because the negligence of the government. इतलें सांगो सोदिता.